Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2013 Honda Rebel 250cc. This is a lightweight cruiser, great low seat height for new riders or someone with shorter inseam. This bike only has 441 miles. It's black metallic in color, and it is in showroom condition. Come by, check it out. Save hundreds over new. You can get this bike for just $37.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. We have financing available, extended service contracts. Come by, check out this beautiful black metallic 2013 Rebel 250. Just $37.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you.